If you've ever been out riding bikes, what's the one thing you fear?
Cars, Trent, it's cars.
Well, yes, it's cars, but it's also flat tires. So when you're riding a bike, one of the things that can happen is things can pop your tire. Whether it's puncture vine, whether it's a big bump, many things can cause flat tires. But I actually have a solution for flat tires now, and it is called Tannus Armor. These are foam inserts that go inside of your tires to protect your tubes from punctures and pinch flats. So this is the Tannus Armor foam. And essentially what happens here, this is a 20-inch Tannus Armor. But essentially what happens here is you put your tube inside of this crevice. And you use a tube that's smaller than the tube for your tire because this piece of foam is taking up the rest of the volume. So for a 2.1 tire, I'm using a 1.75 max tube. And that tube inflates and it pushes against this piece of foam. I love how I keep putting it like in my face. But this is it. This is a piece of technology that reduces the amount of flats that you get, reduces the chance that you will get flats, and they really put this to the torture test. I'm not going to torture test these because the whole idea here is that these tubes allow me to never get flats. However, I will show you some footage from the company of them taking a saw to them, screwing screws into the tires, and the tubes don't pop, which I think is super cool. So let's go install these things on my bike. All right, so one bike I never want to get a flat on is my Omnium. So I've got these Tannus Armor inserts so that there's a big piece of foam in between your tire and the tube. So I'm going to install these on the Omnium right now. So on the back of the packaging, it shows you what size tube you need to use. This is the 20-inch wheel from my Omnium, and once you pull out the insert, you can see there's a line here. This is a cut line for specific size tires, and for each tire I'm using, I have to cut that strip off to make it fit better. And then to insert the liner into the tire, they say to put your tube in to give it some shape and then shove that sucker inside of the tire. So when I was putting the insert into the tire, I was struggling quite a bit, as you can see from this time lapse. And once I got the tube in, gave it just a little bit of air, I tried to really get this liner inside of the tire and get the tire closed on both sides of the rim. You can see I've got volet straps around it. I broke 2 tire levers trying to get the tire onto the rim, and eventually I looked up some tips on how to get the tire fully seated on the rim, and finally I got the last bit of that tire on. Thank God. I finally got it. That was a dang fight. So I'm glad I have them, but it does make me worry if I ever did get a flat, this would, I don't even want to think about it. So this stuff better work. So once we got the front wheel done, we got to move to the back wheel. This is the Old Man Mountain axle mount for their racks. Works super sweet, and you can put a lot of weight on your rear rack. Anyway, let's install this Tannus Armor into the rear wheel of the Omnium. Okay, I've never seen myself do this before, but having now watched back me flipping over my Omnium to change the tires, I think it's hilarious.
Definitely.
One bike down. So I'm gonna throw a set of these in the Van Power Ultra Glide Pro. Big shout out to Tannus Armor for sending over these tire liners for me to install. If you liked this video and particularly want to learn more about the Omnium build that I have, click the video that's on screen right now. I'm pretty sure you're gonna like it.